Welcome to the AI feed. Most of us still rely on Google for research, but is it still the most efficient way? The traditional workflow involves opening dozens of tabs, dodging ads, and manually scanning articles for fragments of truth. It is a time-consuming process that often feels outdated in the age of generative artificial intelligence. Today, we are exploring a superior alternative, Perplexity AI, a research engine designed for the future of knowledge. We will demonstrate how to automate your research and get structured, cited answers in a fraction of the time. Let's look at the friction in the current search model. When you use a traditional search engine, you are the filter. You search, click, read, and copy-paste. You spend more time organizing information than actually understanding it. This inefficiency creates a significant gap between finding data and gaining real insight. Time is lost in the mechanics of searching. Traditional search is linear and manual. AI-powered research is synthesized and immediate. The difference is profound. To understand why this matters, we need to see how the landscape is shifting from keywords to natural language questions. We are moving away from simple keywords. We are now asking complex, multi-layered questions that require deep context. On Google, the first thing you see are ads. Then, SEO-optimized articles that might not even answer your specific query. The hidden cost of traditional search is the mental load of discerning quality from noise. AI changes that fundamental dynamic. The more complex the topic, the more taxing the manual search process becomes. It is a hurdle to rapid learning. But what if your search engine could read all those tabs for you and give you the answer directly? That is where Perplexity comes in. Enter Perplexity AI. It is not just a search engine. It is a conversational answer engine powered by the world's best AI models. The interface is intentionally clean. No ads, no clutter, just a single prompt to start your journey into information. Unlike Google, which points you to websites, Perplexity points you to answers. It synthesizes data from across the web in real time. Every claim is backed by a citation. You can see exactly where the information is coming from, ensuring transparency and trust. It browses the live web for you, reading the latest articles and papers to provide the most up-to-date information available. You can even choose the underlying model, like GPT-4 or Claude 3, to tailor the reasoning style to your specific research needs. This flexibility allows you to leverage the unique strengths of different AI architectures within a single research session. The result is a cohesive summary that would have taken a human researcher hours to compile manually. It is efficiency redefined. Why this matters? In a fast-moving world, the speed of information acquisition is a competitive advantage. Perplexity gives you that edge. Now, let's put it to the test with a real-world research task to see exactly how this workflow outperforms traditional search. We are going to research a complex and evolving topic: how AI video generation models like Runway and Veo actually work. We start with a precise technical query. We are asking for an architectural comparison, not just a surface-level overview. As the AI begins its search, it targets technical blogs, research papers, and press releases simultaneously. Observe the speed. Immediately, we see a diverse range of sources. These are not just SEO articles. They include official documentation and expert analysis. The response is highly structured. It breaks down the core technologies, from diffusion processes to temporal transformers, with citations for every point. Notice how it identifies Runway's specific focus on creative control versus Veo's emphasis on high-fidelity cinematic quality. Research is iterative. Perplexity suggests follow-up questions that allow us to drill down into the most complex aspects of the technology. In seconds, we have a deep dive into temporal consistency. On Google, this would have required 5 separate searches and 30 minutes of reading. We have just consolidated about an hour of traditional research into less than 3 minutes of interaction. This is the power of synthesis. The workflow is a loop of discovery, where each answer leads to a deeper, more refined question. It is an intellectual partnership. Which would you prefer? Managing 20 open tabs or reviewing one comprehensive cited report? The choice is clear. The human's role changes from a data gatherer to a knowledge analyst. You spend your energy on thinking, not clicking. But we can take this even further. Let's see how we can use large language models like ChatGPT and Claude to analyze this research. Perplexity is perfect for finding information. ChatGPT and Claude are perfect for reasoning through and structuring that information. We take the cited summary from Perplexity and move it into our analysis environment. This is where the synthesis deepens. We now prompt ChatGPT to analyze this data. We ask it to find the contradictions, the limitations, and the future implications. Watch as the AI processes the research. It is not just repeating the data, it is applying a strategic framework to it. Claude is often better at technical nuance. Here, we ask it to explain the latent space concept in a way that a non-technical stakeholder can understand. The final result is a professional-grade briefing document. We have gone from a raw question to a structured report in minutes. This workflow is how the most efficient analysts are operating today. It is a multi-tool approach to information mastery. The time savings are not just incremental, they are exponential. You are doing a day's worth of work in an hour. Why this matters? When the machine handles the gathering, your brain is free to do the actual reasoning. That is the true value of AI. Now that we have seen the workflow in action, let's explore the practical scenarios where you can apply this immediately. First, researching new technologies. If you need to understand a new AI model or a software framework, this is your first step. Instead of reading 20 blog posts, you get a consolidated view of the entire technical landscape in one interaction. Second, gathering industry insights. Whether you are preparing a business report or learning about a competitor, the speed is unmatched. You can identify trends and market shifts that would be invisible if you were just looking at individual news articles. Third, learning complex topics quickly. Students and lifelong learners can use this to build a foundational understanding of any subject. It is like having a private tutor that has read the entire internet and can explain any concept to you at any level of depth. The common thread here is speed and depth. AI research tools allow you to go deeper, faster, across every domain of knowledge. We are moving from information overload to knowledge mastery. This is the new standard for research in the 21st century. AI-powered research tools are not just a convenience, they are a fundamental shift in how we understand the world around us. Instead of manually collecting scattered sources, systems like Perplexity AI summarize the world's knowledge in seconds. The future of research is conversational, cited, and synthesized. It is time to move beyond the traditional search box. This is only the beginning. Stay informed. This is the AI Feed.